Hello students, this is Richa ma'am and I am going to take your English subject today. This video is only for the class 5th students. Class 5th, this is your first exercise from your English language book. Your first chapter, sentence, phrase and clause. This is your first exercise. So let's start our first exercise. Read it. Supply suitable subject and verb to the given phrases and make complete sentence. हमें कुछ phrases दिए गए हैं इन numbers में. हमें उन phrases को use करके उसमें सही suitable subject और verb को use करके एक proper sentence बनाना है. ठीक है, let's start. Our first phrase is in the north. So we all have to use this phrase and make it proper sentence. So let's start. Look at here. First phrase हमें दिया हुआ था in the north. In the north phrase से हमें subject और verb को use करके हमें एक proper sentence बनाना था. तो हमने क्या use किया? I was running in the north. So this is your first sentence is completed. Now second is, our second phrase is at 8 o'clock. So using this phrase we all have to make a complete sentence. So let's make it. Look at the board. I was already nearing 8 o'clock. According to taking this phrase at 8 o'clock, we have to make this sentence I was already nearing 8 o'clock. Now I am going to take your another phrase. So this is your third phrase, joys and sorrows. After taking this phrase, we are going to make the sentence joys and sorrows are the two sides of the same coin. You have to put full stop at the end of your sentence. Look at here. After completed your sentence, you all have to put the full stop. Okay. Now I'm going to take your another phrase. This is your fourth phrase, in the morning. So according to taking this phrase in the morning, we are going to make this sentence. They have 4 classes in the morning. Now the another one, your E number is all the same. This is your fifth number's phrase, all the same, and using this phrase I am going to make this sentence, choose what you will, it's all the same. लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप. जो मैंने ब्लैक मार्कर से लिखा है वो आपको ब्लैक पेन से लिखना है, जो मैंने ब्लू मार्कर से लिखा है वो आपको ब्लू पेन से लिखना है. ओके. नाउ अनदर, योर 6 number phrase is in the middle. So the sentence is the pond is in the middle of a wood. Okay. After that, next is for 5 days. For using this phrase, we are going to make the sentence, he has now been for 5 days in India. Another one is by the end. Using this phrase, we are going to make the sentence, by the end of the 4-month champion, the White House would receive 2 million times. Okay. Now another one is in the corner. One day my teacher found me in the corner of the library. Okay. After that, the last one is on the table. She placed the brush on the table and left the room. So this is your first exercise is completed. After that, this is your next exercise. Write whether the following sentence are sentence, phrase and clause. दिस एक्सरसाइज इज़ योर होमवर्क. ये आपका होमवर्क है, आपको खुद करना है. आपको बताना है कि ये सेंटेंस है, क्या ये सेंटेंस है. सेंटेंस है तो यहाँ सेंटेंस लिखेंगे, अगर ये फ्रेज़ है तो यहाँ फ्रेज़ लिखेंगे, अगर ये क्लॉज है तो यहाँ पर क्लॉज लिखेंगे. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू अनदर चैप्टर, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, योर सेकेंड चैप्टर. So students, this is your second chapter, parts of speech. Parts of speech, you all have to take another page and write the date, write the chapter's name, write the chapter's number. Then after, you all have to write first question. How many parts of speech in the English language? There are 8 parts of speech in the English language. Their names are, here is our 8 part of speech. हमारी English language में 8 part of speech हैं, and their names are noun, pronoun, adjectives, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So how many parts of speech are there in a word family or English language? There are 8 parts of speech in English language. Their names are noun, pronoun, adjectives, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. You all have to do this work on your fair copy. Write second chapter name, number. After that write the question जो मैंने अभी इसके पहले आपको बताया था, और फिर ये. Okay. So students, this is your second chapter is completed. In this chapter you all have to see the exercise. This is your exercise. So you all have to try this exercise for doing yourself. एक बार आप ये exercise खुद से करने की try करेंगे. नहीं तो after that our next video I will tell you, I will explain you how to do this exercise. Okay. Thank you students. Take care of yourself and your family. Good day.